So the well-being practice this week in the Whole Life Challenge, spring cleaning.
Woohoo!
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick an area of your life, not just of your house, but of your life. Could be virtual, could be physical, could be your email, could be a closet, your trunk, your bedroom, anything in your life that needs to be straightened, cleaned, cleared out, and handle one of those every day.
I'm still thinking of some of those things. Evernote and my calendar and all the virtual places that I store stuff, it just accumulates and accumulates, and there are piles all over my house.
Your desk, unopened mail, unpaid bills, things that just, they literally slow you down because they kind of drag with you everywhere you go.
This practice doesn't have to be for a certain amount of time. It's really just about clearing that space. So for instance, Michael has this pile that's been accumulating for
several days now. There's stuff here that needs to go to the garage. There's recycling, things that need to go into the trash.
It's gonna take him like 30 seconds probably to get rid of it, and that's great.
And I'm annoyed every time I look over here. So this is gonna be your practice this week, spring cleaning.
I'm gonna help him. Here we go. Ah, jeez.
Garage over there.